Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon bun hairstyle in just a few minutes. Now I've decided to add some backcombing to the crown just for a little bit more volume, but if you don't like backcombing you can skip this step. So once you've got everything backcombed, flip them over and just smooth out the top layer with the very edge of your comb. Then secure the hair into a low ponytail. And I'm going to divide this ponytail in half, and then on each half of the ponytail I'm going to add some texture powder and just massage it in. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then starting on the right hand side, I'm going to take this section, twist it around my finger to create a sort of tunnel, and then just place it slightly to the left hand side of that elastic band. Then secure it through the top and bottom of that little loop we've just created with a couple of bobby pins. Take the other section, again wrap it round your finger, and we're going to bring this slightly up to the right hand side. So you should have a little loop, and we're going to pin through the top and bottom of that loop to make sure it's nice and secure. Now I'm going to take the tail ends on the right hand side. Smooth these out and bring them up to the left hand side, tucking the ends under to create your little loop, and again secure with a couple of bobby pins to the head, and then just repeat on the last section. So bring it up to the right hand side, wrap it around the edge of your finger to create a loop and pin to the head, and then any tail ends can just be tucked inside that bun and secured with another bobby pin or two. Then just secure everything in place with some strong hold hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.